Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have my Gemini Zodiac sign makeup tutorial. Now Gemini Zodiac sign started on May 21st and this is my inspired look. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Thursday and Sunday. You can also follow me on Instagram, but if you want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the colors associated with the Gemini Zodiac sign are yellows, orange, and silver or gray. And I have used them all on this eye, so I'm gonna do this eye on camera. And to start, I am priming it with the Revolution Conceal and Define. And I am not setting the concealer because I want the eyeshadows to pop a little bit more. So mainly for eyeshadow, I'm using the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. And I'm starting with the lightest yellow here on the bottom. And I am using this one as a transition for the other colors. The brush I'm using is the Jessup Luxe Soft Crease. Now I'm changing to the Luxe Crease brush and I'm taking the darker yellow and I am packing this on my crease and blending it. This eye will be mainly yellows and then orange on the outer corner, which I'm gonna do in a minute. So I'm changing to the Luxe Petite Crease and I'm going to take the orange and I am blending this on the outer corner. So this is the eyeshadow base, and to do this silver cut crease I'm gonna use the Conceal and Define again with the cream shader brush. For this silver, I am using the Kiko Long Lasting Wet and Dry Eyeshadow in the shade 229, and I am using the Luxe Smoky Shader with setting spray on it. This makes these eyeshadows super pigmented. It almost melts the pigment. This transition will be a little bit less intense. Now I am going to blend that with a little bit of that matte orange shade. Okay, and this is the eyeshadow. I think it's super simple. And now I'm going to do a small winged liner with the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I'm going to use on my waterline the Kiko Everlasting Kajal. And now for mascara, I'm using the Revolution Amazing Volume. Okay, so this is basically the eyes done. I'm now going to do my base. I'm using the Kiko Skin Tone Foundation. Then I'll be using again the Revolution Conceal and Define. And I'm setting my base with the Primark Banana Pressed Powder. Okay, so I'm also doing just a little bit of touch-up on my brows with the Essence Make Me Brow Gel, but I want them to look very natural. For bronzer, I'm using the Freedom Bronzed. For blush, I'm using the Primark blush in the shade So Peachy. I think this one will pick up a little bit of the orange from the outer corner. Now I'm just going to finish my eyes. I'm going to use the orange close to my lashes and then the dark yellow to blend it. And just like on my top lashes, I'm using the Kiko Everlasting Kajal on my waterline and the Revolution Mascara on my bottom lashes. Now for my highlighter, I'm using the Soft X Revolution Highlighter Palette. And I'm using this shade. This one is a little bit more soft, but is still very pigmented. And I'm also taking it on my brow bone. I'm also taking a little bit of that on my inner corner. So this highlighter is a little bit softer and I think it doesn't clash a lot with the shimmer silver. Now finally for my lips, I wanted the eyeshadow to stand out the most, so I am doing a nude lip. So I'm using the Avon Mark Liquid Lip Lacquer Matte in the shade Dare to Be Bare. Finally, I'm setting my makeup with the Kiko Prime and Fix Refreshing Mist. Okay, so this is the finished look. As you can see, it is something very simple to do, and you got that orange, yellows, and the pop of silver. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Thursday and Sunday. And I also still have my giveaway going. I will leave that in the description box, and I will also leave on the cards the playlist for my zodiac sign makeup tutorials. And I guess that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!